Identifying a research question is best done through what the teacher is passionate about. This could include a topic the teacher deeply cares about and wants to learn more about, or perhaps even to create change in the classroom. Yandel Hoppe analyzed 100 teacher classroom research studies where they identified 8 passions as possibilities for finding a research question. These included helping an individual child, improving and enriching curriculum, developing content knowledge, improving or experimenting with teaching strategies and techniques, exploring the relationships between your beliefs and classroom practice, exploring the intersection of your personal and professional identities, advocating social justice, and understanding the teaching and learning context. Cara Bruce created a list of questions as a starting point for teachers or principals to identify an issue that they would like to research. Some of these starting questions include: I would like to improve, I am perplexed by, I am really curious about, something I would like to change, how can I implement, and how can I improve. Characteristics of a good research question. A research question should be meaningful, compelling, and important to you as a teacher researcher. It should engage your passion, energy, and commitment, and it should be important for your personal and professional growth. A good research question should stretch you intellectually and effectively. It should be manageable and within your reach and influence. It should be consonant with your work in that you are able to address it within your classroom. A good research question is focused and not so ambitious, big, or complex that it will require extraordinary amounts of resources, efforts, time, and energy. It should be important for all learners in the classroom, and it should lead to taking action such as trying something new or improving a teaching or learning situation. The ultimate goal of creating a good research question is the ability to acquire the knowledge and understanding necessary to improve one's teaching or the advancement of student learning and/or development. Some examples of teacher action research questions include: what happens to the quality of student writing when we implement peer editing throughout our 9th grade English class? How does the use of computers affect the student writing process in our 4th grade classroom? What happens to student understanding of specific geometrical concepts when I incorporate exploratory exercises into the teaching of geometry in my class? What happens to my students' academic performance in history when I give daily quizzes on homework assignments? And what happens to student behavior in my class when I start the class with a short mind-relaxing activity? Please take a few seconds to think of what you are interested in researching and how you can create a good action research question. When planning your research, you need to choose from one of 2 action research designs. An action research design procedure is done by the researcher to gather data, either quantitative or qualitative, to improve how their school or other professional settings operate their teaching practice and how their research can impact students' well-being or health. Clark and Creswell described the 2 action research designs as practical and participatory. Practical action research studies the problems in local practices using individual or team-based inquiry and creating a plan of action. Participatory action research, or PAR, studies social issues that constrain individual lives, emphasizing equal collaboration, focusing on life-enhancing changes, and resulting in changes in the community. How to plan your own action research study. 1. Determine whether action research is possible in your setting and with your colleagues. 2. Specify the problem you want to study. 3. Locate resources to help you address the problem. 4. Identify information you need to examine. 5. Implement the data collection. 6. Analyze the data. 7. Develop a plan for action. And 8. Implement the plan and reflect.